Good morning, children. Welcome back to the session 2 of our chapter Singular and Plural. We had seen different types of singular and plural of changing singular into plural as by adding s, ies, s, es, ies and ves. Now we will do the sentences over here. So everybody look in your grammar textbook. Page number 21. Page number 21. Change the nouns into the plural forms in the sentences below. What we have to do here, sentences are given. We have to change it into plural form. What we have to do? We have to change it into a plural form. First, A. The sparrow sat on the puppy. So what we will write? We have underlined on sparrow and puppy. So we will write the sparrows sat on the puppies. Now Puppy. What it is? Puppy. So over here Y is what? Here in place of Y we have to add IES. So over here you can see I've add IES. Puppies, puppies. Now we'll go to the second one, B. They looked at the church near the tree. So what is the correct over here? They looked at the churches. CH is in the last. So we will add after CH ES. What we are going to add? ES. Churches near the trees. So tree is singular. We'll add S over here. So it becomes trees. What it becomes? Trees. They looked at the churches near the trees. I put my book on the shelf. So what is the plural over here? I put my books on the shelf. Over here F is there, you can see. So in place of F I have written VES. So what it becomes? SHELVES, shelf. And over here BOOK, book has become BOOKS, books. Now D. The baby wanted to eat the crispy fry. So what is the plural over here? The babies wanted to eat the crispy fries. So BABIES, babies have written because Y is the ending word of the baby. So instead of Y I have add IES. So it becomes plural and wanted to eat the crispy fries. Over here Y is there. So Y I have removed and I have written IES. It becomes fries. The cat played with the scarf under the chair. So what is the plural of cat? It will be cats. Scarves will be SCARVES because F is there in the ending. So F I'll remove and I'll write VES. It becomes scarves. Chair. So singular is chair and if I add S over here it becomes chairs. So cats, scarves and chairs are become plural. I will wash and put the dish in the box. I will wash and put the dishes. So after SH I've add ES. So it becomes dishes in the box. BOX, box. So after X I've written ES. So it becomes boxes. So I will wash and put the dishes in the boxes. Now we'll read all the sentences together. The sparrow sat on the puppy. The sparrows sat on the puppies. They looked at the church near the tree. They looked at the churches near the trees. I put my book on the shelf. I put my books on the shelves. The baby wanted to eat the crispy fry. The babies wanted to eat the crispy fries. E. The cat played with the scarf under the chair. The cats played with the scarves under the chairs. I will wash and put the dish in the box. I will wash and put the dishes in the boxes. Now we'll go to the next page. Now write the singular nouns of the plurals given below. Now here you have what you have to do. Here plurals are given. Now we have to write the singular. What we have to write? We write there singular. See, HOUSES. Plural is houses. Now we have to write singular. So what it will be? HOUSE, house. BSCARVES, scarves. What will be the plural? Scarf. SCARF, scarf. Over here VES is there. So I have written F. Over here HOUSE is already there. S is written. So I have written only house. That becomes plural of houses. Singular is house. Scarves ka plural is scarves and singular is scarf. VALLEYS, valleys. So singular is VALLEY, valley. BUNNIES, bunnies. The singular is BUNNY, bunny. See over here you can see IES is there. So I've written, removing IES, I've written Y. BUNNY, bunny, singular. WOLVES, wolves. The plural is what? Wolves. Singular is WOLF, wolf. VES I have removed over here, and for singular I have used F. So WOLF, wolf is singular. Now we'll go to the next word. FIFTIES, 50s. So what is the 50s ka singular? FIFTY, 50. IES is for plural and FIFTY is for singular. OURSELVES, ourselves. So singular is OURSELF, ourself. Ourselves is plural, singular is ourself. FAIRIES, fairies. So fairies is plural, singular will be FAIRY, fairy. IES I've removed and I've written Y. WAYS, ways. Over here I've written WAY, way. RAYS, race. I've written RAY, that is singular. So we will read all the singular and words together. Houses, house. Scarves, scarf. Valleys, valley. Bunnies, bunny. Wolves, wolf. 50s, 50. Ourself, fairies, fairy. Ways, way. Raise, raise. Now we'll go to the next page. Correct the plural form in these sentences. The first one has been done for you. Now what you have to do? You have to correct the plurals are given, but some mistakes have been done. We have to check what mistakes they have done. So shall we start? Okay. Page number 22. Correct the plural forms in these sentences. The first has been done for you. Now the boxes are new. So over here you can see the spelling of boxes. BOXIS is there. So it is totally wrong. What is the correct spelling? The boxes are new. BOXES. Boxes are new. Now B1. There are many pretty houses on our street. So what is the mistake over here? Houses. Spelling is wrong over here. We have to do the correction. So what we'll write? There are many pretty houses on our street. What is the correct plural of houses? HOUSIES is wrong. Correct plural is what? HOUSES, houses on our street. C. I like the elves in my storybook. So what is the plural of elves? I like the elves in my storybook. ELVES. ELVES, elves. We sail paper boats when it rains. So what is Both spelling, see, it is totally wrong. Boates, boats. That is the spelling of boats? No. What is the exact spelling of boats? That we will see. We sail paper boats when it rains. Boats, boats. The fairies will grant Salima 3 wish. So over here fairies is wrong and over here wish is wrong. We'll do the correction. The fairies, Fairies, fairies will grant Salima 3 wishes. Wishes, wishes. Now why we written plural? Because over here 3 is there. So 3 goes into plural form. So it is wishes. Okay. So we will read all the sentences together. The boxes are new. There are many pretty houses on our street. I like the elves in my storybook. We sail paper boats when it rains. The fairies will grant Salima 3 wishes. Now we'll go to the next page. Now over here what it is? Some nouns change their spelling to become plurals. Check if you remember such nouns. Change the singular into plural in the table below. Now you can see over singular is what? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse, that is singular. But plural is what? Mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Now singular, plural. C-H-I-L-D, child. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. M-A-N, man. M-E-N, man. W-O-M-A-N, woman. W-O-M-E-N, woman. F-O-O-T, foot. F-E-E-T, fit. G-O-O-S-E, goose. G-E-E-S-E, geese. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. F-I-R-E-M-A-N, fireman. F-I-R-M-E-N, fireman. O-X, ox. O-X-E-N, oxen. So what we have done, this changed the spellings to become plurals. We have to change the spellings to become plurals over here. We had done this exercise before also. This is just a revision of it. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here, some nouns do not change their spellings at all. The singular and the plural are the same for them. In the sentences given below, underline such nouns. Write S below the noun if it has been used in its singular form, and P if it has been used in its plural form. One has been done for you. Now where what we have to do? We have to see in the sentence. Singular and plural mix are there, but we have to find it out very carefully where to put singular and where to put plural in the sentences. The first one is done for us. I have a pet fish. So this is singular because A is used for singular. A is used for singular person. So it talks about only one fish. So singular. We bought new furniture for our house. Now over here what it is? We are talking about more than one. We bought a new furniture for our house. So over here it is P, plural. This sentence is plural. There are 3 aircraft prepared for takeoff. Now over here how many aircraft is there? More than one, 3. So this sentence is plural. Aircraft, here nor S, ES, IES, VES, nothing is there. But we have to read the sentence carefully. In the sentence only it indicates, it shows that sentence is plural or singular. Here it is plural. Why? Because it talks about 3 aircraft. How many? 3. Next, a sheep came into my garden. Now this is singular. Why we have written singular? Because over here A is there. So it talks about only one. I saw a group of mooses in Canada. Over here it is what? Group. Group means many, many, many. So over here mooses is plural. What it is? It is a plural sentence. In Sundarbans, one can find deer everywhere. Now in the Sundarbans, one can find deer everywhere. Here one is there, right? So you must be thinking why it is plural, but over it talks about everywhere. So this sentence is plural. So we'll read again. I have a pet fish, singular sentence. We bought a new furniture for our house. This is a plural sentence. There are 3 aircraft prepared for takeoff. This is plural sentence. A ship came into my garden, singular. I saw a group of mooses in Canada, plural. In the Sundarbans, we can find deer everywhere, plural. So, dear children, please do this exercise in your textbook with neat and good handwriting. And I hope you have followed the lesson very well. Thank you.